Good morning class. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is practical geometry. For practical geometry, here we have a question that says that we have to construct a line parallel. In the first exercise of this chapter, we have to construct a line parallel. So for constructing a line parallel to a given line at a given distance, means it says that we are given a line and we have to construct a line parallel to it at a distance of 4 centimeters. So what will we do? We will first make a 90 degree here. If you know how to construct a 90 degree, keeping the compass pin here and constructing an arc, this half and this half. This is 60, this is 120, and bisector of these two angles is 90. So we have constructed a line of 90 degree. What next? We have to get a distance of 4 centimeters. We will take a compass with a scale and we will measure 4 centimeters through it and then put an arc here. Then we get a point at a 4 centimeter. Now again we will draw a 90 degree from this point in this way round, and we will just make an arc and then construct it. We will get a line parallel to this. So these two lines are parallel. So how will we do? We are given that a line of 7.5 centimeters. First you have to construct a line of 7.5 centimeters. Okay, this is the line of 7.5 centimeter from here till here. This is PQ, 7.5 centimeters. Okay, now from this we have to make a line 7.5 centimeters. We have to make a 90 degree, then taking any point on the line. Okay, now keeping compass pin here, okay, this upper one is wrong. Okay, this lower one is correct. Okay, now from these 2 points we will construct a bisector. Look, we have got a point from this. Okay, this is our 90 degree line. Now we have to get a distance of 4 centimeter. We will take a compass and measure 4 centimeter. This is our 4 centimeter. Okay, this is our arc of 4 centimeter. Now what? We have got a point. Okay, now from this point we will construct one more 90 degree. Means the angle that we have constructed here, the same angle should be constructed here. Okay, as you have read in the angles and its property, if these two lines are made this way round, if this angle is equals to, if these two lines are parallel, then these two angles should be equal. Okay, if these two lines are parallel, these two angles should be equal by alternate property. So what we are doing, we are constructing two equal angles, so automatically we will get these two lines parallel. We will construct the angle we have got here 90 degree, we will construct the same angle here 90 degree, so that we will get the alternate property and we can say that two lines are parallel. So from here we will construct one more 90 degree. This compass is a bit loose, so it is again and again just moving. Okay, we have got this point. So this is our 90-degree point. Okay, now we have got these two lines. This is 4 centimeter distance. This is also 90 degree. Now these two lines are parallel to each other. This above line and this line is parallel to each other. This is our next question that says that we have to construct a triangle ABC where AB is given as 6 centimeter, BC is 4.8 and AC is 5.6, and we have to draw a line XY parallel to BC. We have to draw a line parallel to BC. So what we will do, we will make BC first here. So starting with making of BC, that is 4.8 centimeters. So this is BC, that is 4.8. Okay, now what? We have to make AB, that is 6 centimeter. Means from B we have to take an arc of 6 centimeter towards A. So what will we do? We will measure it first, a 6 centimeter arc through the compass. So this is our 6 centimeter arc. Okay, keeping at B, we have to make an arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, now we have got a AC, that is 5.6 centimeter. Okay, so AC is 5.6 centimeter. Now we will measure from C. We have to construct an arc for A. From B we have constructed this arc for A, and from C again we will construct an arc for A. So A, we will got a A and A point here, so that will intersect at this line. So we will take an arc of 5.6 here. This taking through C. Okay, now what? We have got this point of intersection, that is A point. So through this we'll make this, and through this we'll make this. So this is our triangle ABC. This is 6 centimeters, this is 5.6 centimeters. Now what? Now we have to construct XY parallel to BC passing through A. So what will we do? As I have said you, we have to make this angle and this angle equal. So what we will do? We will measure it with compass. How? Just draw an arc here. And with same measurement, draw arc here as well. Okay, now what? We will measure this angle with compass, and we will draw the same measurement angle here, from here till here. This is our measurement for the angle. So what we will do? We will measure the same angle here, keeping through this. Look, we have got the measurement. Okay, it meets here. So now we will construct these two lines, and that will look parallel to each other. Okay, so this is our line that is parallel to line BC. Okay, so this is our question here that says that you have to construct a triangle LMN where LM is equals to 3.5 centimeters. So first we will construct a line 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so through this 3.5 centimeters, this is our line LM 3.5 centimeters. Now we have to make 30 degree, that is angle M. We will construct a 30 degree at angle place of M. So first we will construct an arc here. For 30 we just need only angle 60 degree. Okay, so this is our 60 degree. Now we will construct, we can take now any arc. We have to make bisector of 60, means half of 60, middle of 60 and 0 is 30 degree. So this is the middle of 60 and 0, this. This is our 30 degree. Now we have said that MN, through M a line goes to N, that is 5 centimeters. Through M we will take an arc of 5 centimeter towards N. We need the 2 points of intersection for getting any point. So here, look, here it is cutted by this line and this arc, both the things. So this is our point N. We have got the 2 points of intersection. This is N. So we will construct through N and goes it till L. So this is our triangle LMN. This is 30 degree. This is 5 centimeters. Okay. So this is our next question that says that we have to construct a triangle where BC side is given as 6.4 centimeters. So first we will construct a side BC that is 6.4 centimeters. So making it okay, this is the side BC that is 6.4 centimeters. Now what? Angle B is given as 30 degrees. First we will construct 30 degree at angle B. So we have to construct 30 degree. So we don't need 120, we can just construct through 0 and 60. So this is our point of intersection, that is, this will be our line of 30 degree. Okay, so now C is 45 degree. So this is the line. So 45 degree means bisector of 60 and 120. So this is the bisector. So this is our 90 degree line. Now what? We have to make a bisector of between 90 and 0. Between 90 and 0 lies 45 degree. So this is the 90 point. This is our 0 point. It meets at this point. So this is our 45 degree point. So it meets at this point, and this point is point A. So this is our triangle ABC. Okay. So now this is our next figure. Here we have to construct a triangle which is right angled at M. That is, angle M is 90 degree and LN is 5.9 and LM is 3.5. So here, to make M, always an angle is made on the base. If we construct LN line on the base, that is 5.9 centimeter, so we won't get a point M here. Okay, so we will construct LN here so that we can get a point M on this line, and we can construct 90 degree of that at that angle M. Okay, so here it is 3.5. So this is our LM, which is right angled at M. Right angle means at 90 degree. So here, this is our point of intersection. So this is our 90 degree. This is our line M. It will go up to N. So this is MN line, and we don't know the various N point. So through L, N point is at 5.9 centimeters. So through L we will take an arc of 5.9 centimeter. So this is our 5.9 centimeter. Okay. So now through L, an arc of 5.9, so it meets here. So this is our point N. Okay, this is our point N. We have got an intersection here, so now join this. This is our triangle where this is 3.5, this is 45 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 5.9 centimeters, this is 90 degree. So this is our triangle.